Congratulations on purchasing your new Swash S101 bidet toilet seat. Operation requires no electricity, and using it is as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, sit down on your Eco Seat. To begin a wash, turn the dial after picking your nozzle position. The nozzles will go through a brief self-clean as you turn the dial for either a front or rear cleansing. For a rear or posterior wash, turn the dial counterclockwise or roll it back while seated. The further the dial is turned, the stronger the water pressure will be. For a front or feminine wash, turn the dial clockwise. The further the dial is turned, the stronger the water pressure will be. To stop the flow of water, turn the dial back to its original center position so that the indicator hash on the dial aligns with the top notch on the body of the seat. It will click in place, closing off the valve.
Now that your bidet has arrived, let's get it installed. Before you do anything, make sure you turn off the water supply valve on the wall behind the toilet. Flush your toilet to empty the tank. Next, remove the toilet seat and disconnect the water supply line from your toilet by twisting it off from the base of the toilet. Now you will connect the cold water supply by installing the T-adapter. Next, connect one end of the bidet hose to the T-adapter. Now you can place the bidet on the toilet and slide the adjustable plates to align with the holes on the toilet. Open the toilet seat lid to ensure the bidet is centered and that the nozzles are not touching the toilet bowl. Reattach the toilet seat using the toilet hardware. Now connect the other open end of the bidet hose to the water inlet under the bidet. Lastly, connect the T-adapter with the rubber washer to the incoming water connection on the bottom of your toilet tank. Now turn on the water supply again and check for leaks. Use the Teflon tape provided if you've tightened everything and the leaking persists. Feel free to contact us at help@claygoods.com with any questions or problems.